Set them at the tang. Welcome to Canada. Uh, Things I like about Canada: the beautiful country. Summers are gorgeous. I love it here. We're free. We have Medicare. But the things I don't like about Canada: we get a lot of snow. And when it snows, we must shovel. So we get the shovel and we shovel. Just like that. Just enough for the walkway. And once you're done with that, you got to brush off the car. So you go in the car, unlock it first. Get the snow brush off. Especially up here. Windows. There. The air vent so you don't blow snow in the car. The lights. The front bumper. The radiator. Now we're ready to go.
Available options are frequency number.
This is our winter roads and the back roads. It's close to my place. If you look at the trees, everything looks dead, but it's not. You look at everything and everything looks dead, but it's not. It's only asleep. This is another thing I like about Canada. Not only does this look beautiful when it freshly snows, but everything seems to be asleep and dead, and in the springtime it comes back to life, and you would never know that there was snow on the ground. Isn't that something? Hey, miracles. So beautiful. I'm going to try to see. If you look at this lilac tree, it looks dead, right? But it isn't. I'll show you. There's no leaves on it. But if you look very closely, this right here is a little bud. That's a little bud. That's waiting for the warmer weather to come out so it could start growing. It's like a seed. So all these trees that you see are still alive. These ones have green needles, what we call needles. And I'll show you that. They stay green all year round. They don't change. See how it's green? This one's a spruce tree. That's what it looks like from underneath.